Hey, welcome back. Let's play a game of Name That Sound. We are going to play some sounds for you, very common things around your house, and you try and guess what they are. If you need to hear it again, go ahead, just rewind and listen to it again until you think you know what it is. Go down to the comments section and leave the number of the sound and your guess for what the sound is. First person to get all of them correct will get a gift card. Yay! If you don't know what they all are, go ahead and take a guess at any of the ones you do know, and let's have some fun. So here's sound number one. Okay, so do you think you know what it is? If you do, leave a comment down below, sound number one, and what you think your guess is. Okay, here comes a tricky one. Okay, so can you guess those sounds? Leave your guesses in the comments section with the number of the sound, and please subscribe and like our videos. I hope you had fun, and we'll make another one of these soon. Bye for now.